Need to replace the igniter in your Blackstone 2177? Today we're swapping in a fresh set of ignition needles. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job. About 25 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver and a fresh AA battery. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get to the needles. But first, all 4 knobs off, tank valve closed, and everything cool. Then, we can work. Start by taking the hard cover off its hooks. Then remove the griddle top. It's a 2-person lift. Once off, you will see the firebox with 4 burners, each with its own ignition needle at its side, tucked behind a small heat shield. Lift that little shield off for a clear view. Step 2. Unplug at the module. Follow the old needle's wire back to the igniter module. It lives behind the control panel, right by the button. The spade terminal pulls straight off, no tools. 4 wires look exactly alike, so tag the one you pulled before it disappears into the loom. Step 3. Free the old needle. At the burner, the ceramic electrode sits in a little clip bracket. Slide it free, then pull the wire through to your side. Watch how it's routed as it comes out, because the new one wants that exact same path. Step 4. Route and connect the new one. Needle into the bracket at the burner, wire back along the same route, and the terminal onto the module until it clicks home. Keep the wire off sharp edges and away from burner heat. Melted insulation is how igniters die young. Step 5. Set the gap. The manual spec. The needle tip sits 3 to 7 millimeters off the burner, lined up right over a port. Bend it gently into range. Then the little shield back over the needle, and the top back on. And while you're in there, the button runs on a single AA under the cap, and a tired battery is the #1 no-spark culprit. Before you call it done, run the checks. Hold the button. You want a steady click at every burner. Watch the tip. The spark should snap blue-white right onto the tube. Then light it for real. Push, turn, and the burner catches within 5 seconds. And if a needle still won't spark, swap the AA first. The manual calls a dead battery the #1 cause. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.